Hello guys, it's Utaki once again. In this video I will show you how to download Audacity for Windows. Before that, subscribe to the channel guys in order to keep up the content. So you open browser and then you type Audacity and then you will go for downloads, and there you will check which OS that you are downloading the software itself. In Audacity I will just download Audacity installer, this one, or you have 64 bits installer. So I will go this one which is Muse Hub, containing everything that related to Audacity company. So I just wait for it to download it and then I will come back. So guys, after downloading the software you just press it, and here guys is gonna be downloading the Muse Hub, which is containing all the application, and for example there is Audacity application on this hub. So you just wait for the Muse Hub downloading. After that is gonna be launching like this one, and you will have the Mouse Hub containing the Audacity application you downloaded. And then after downloading guys, I will just, because I already downloaded the application, so after that you will have the Audacity application. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.